beautiful. Lovely evening at the park, just chilling. Cool, nice, chill weather. I gotta do a voiceover because it's too windy out. Look at this young man with his random outbursts of dances. Best company ever. Yes, we started our outdoor and nature day by visiting the park and the river view. We watched the sailors, the rafters, whatever they're called, doing their thing. Spent about 20 minutes there. It was fun. Then we went on to climbing the tallest bridge in our city. By the way, I don't know why I choose to go up there. Like, who was I trying to impress? I know darn well I'm super scared of heights. Look at that, people. And we are going all the way up there. I have to keep focusing on my phone. The heart was pounding. Finally, we made it to the top. A round of applause. Yep, my anxiety is creeping in. Here go Mr. Random dancing again. Well, at least he's enjoying the view because your girl couldn't move a foot from the top of the stairs. Am I a scaredy cat? I don't think so. I just want to be flat on the ground where I can balance myself. Then he's gonna joke about a truck hitting the bridge down with us.
Oh my god.
Well, that was it for me. Peace, I'm out. He took over the vlogging. He was vlogging everything inside. Any and everything he seen, from the circus to his feet. Everything. Yep, while I was down there on the ground having a heart failure. I don't even know how I got back down here. Come down telling me I just need to stop. Like, huh? Can I do that? I don't think so. Anyhow, moving on. It's time to go on our mini hiking. Well, more like just walking on the trail. Just a quick photo shoot first. It was so awesome. Felt like heaven. Oh, how I love nature. I would love to do this every day. Sit down, Tatiana. Being out in nature is the best feeling ever. This makes me feel like I want to go camping. You know what? I am gonna go camping. So stay tuned. Those camping vlogs will be coming soon. Peaceful. And the best part of it is we are walking right next to the river. How cool is that? It's after 7 now and we are about to leave soon. He doesn't want to leave. Well, I wouldn't want to leave if I didn't have responsibilities. Definitely wouldn't want to leave either. Guys, we are enjoying this so much. These are the things we do for fun in our family. Either we're doing something like this outdoor or we're seeing a movie. Yeah. We will definitely be back soon though. Hopefully next time we will get to spend all day. Bye bye hike trail. Bye bye nature. That's just me feeling myself. Thank God for springs and summers. People, wouldn't that be good if we have spring and summer all year round? Wow. Okay, so we're walking down to the bottom of the trail, heading to the car to go home. He insists on hearing or seeing some animal out there. Wow. Just wow. Look at that beautiful sunset, guys. So we're at the bottom. It's time to go home. One of my subscribers commented that he wanted to see me cook, so I'm gonna make something. I don't normally cook on the weekends. Today is Saturday and I don't normally eat out, so I'm gonna make something simple. I'm gonna make some green plantain porridge with almond nut and oats. Let's go. I'm washing my plantain and my utensils. You know, you gotta wash everything before you cook. Wash hands and everything. Now I'm gonna peel my plantains. The water is already boiling with a little salt. Turn the stove down on medium to cook any porridge. So it will be green plantain, oats and almond cooked together. And we already have our dinner because, as I said before, we eat out on Fridays and Saturdays. So I'ma just be making a little supper. I'm cutting the plantain super small so it is easy to blend. And I'll be putting in the oats and the almond and plantain in the blender. I went and washed my blender. So all three ingredients will blend together, and I'm gonna try and blend as smooth as possible. And I add some milk, almond milk, and I'll also add some water. Then blend those together. I'm going to be pouring that in the boiling water. And guys, I am not a top chef. I just cook simple meals. So if you do it different, then I guess we all cook different. Keep stirring so it won't be lumpy. And I'll be cleaning up while it boils. And you clean meanwhile you cook, then you have nothing to wash when you finish cooking. So that is how I do it. Cook and clean at the same time. Keep stirring. I can never get it thick the way I like it though. Just normally not thick enough. Gonna add some coconut milk. Some vanilla. A little cinnamon powder. Some more milk, and that's evaporated milk. Pinch more salt and then leave to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so 19 minutes later, it's time to sweeten and drink. Add some sugar, some sweetened tin milk, put a lot of milk in, less sugar. Well, that's how I like it. Add some nutmeg and stir it all in. It was smelling so good. You could stay outside and smell my porridge. Okay, now I'm gonna share some for you guys. Who likes porridge? Who eats a lot? Turn the stove off and we're gonna indulge in. Still not as thick as I wanted it, but I'm gonna tell you guys, it was so yummy. It was so delicious. Me and my family enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you do to thicken your porridge. Here you go, guys. This is for you. Enjoy. Okay, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Please remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment, share, and hit the post notification bell. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.